So like और बात आती है like ये dub step ही क्यों, like this house music से dub step ही क्यों, because ये तो पता लग गया कि you heard DJ and like वही it was something inspiring
So
because there are lot of genres I guess.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
And it's electronic music.
Yeah.
So why dubstep only? Because कहीं ये like dance से और you know attached तो नहीं है, what is the reason?
No, it's not attached to dance.
Mhm.
Nothing at all. The thing is, you know, like DJ Snake show. So,
Right.
like I don't know, but when I listen to the dubstep, like the very first dubstep which I listened was Skrillex Bangarang. So that music is so groovy. Like if it is in repeat mode, I can listen it to 100 or 1,000 times on a single day. And of course, Skrillex is like the legend who introduced dubstep to every single guy in this universe, I can say. And with Skrillex, I got to introduce to a lot of dubsteps and dubstep artists, and I was like, oh, this shit is cool. Like, you know, like there is one sound which is like so like that thing is so groovy for me, and
I can see like your setup here too. I want to show this to everybody who will see this
quite
video.
messy right now.
No, nothing to worry. Everybody is messy. Why not? But
So this is my first console.
wow.
I used to like do the live.
I guess
events.
you also invested in this, man.
Yes.
You invested in your system. Everything is like really cool. Really cool.
It's just my small studio setup, home studio.
Obviously, but like how like so you played in concerts, something shows.
I played one time when I was in Jaipur at the very last time of my college days.
Okay.
So I was at this tiny console I was having at that time.
This is big one.
This is a big one.
So what? अगर normal way में बोलते कि ये क्या ये सारा जादू यही करता है?
No.
Okay.
Exactly. This is the core of DJ Sketch.
Right.
Here you will hear everything which I'm creating or which is published in every social media. This is that core.
Right.
और ये वो चीज़ है which I used to play when I'm going live on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube.
No man.
So I used to do
like मुझे ये तो DJ उनके setup पे भी ऐसी चीज नजर आती है.
Yeah. So like
wow.
I used to play my songs in this, and like I used to like make a 15-minute setup live setup so that I can actually show my skills in how I can do, you know, like DJ and mix these songs and do some scratching of hip hop, things like that. So this is for that purpose.
Okay. So now Sunandan, if we talk about like your future plans, because you know you are one of those who's also doing your job and your hobby, because I think ये एक balance भी ज़रूरी हो गया है तुम कर रहे हो, and it's engineering, no doubt.
Yeah.
Damn, it's engineering.
It's a damn sound engineering.
Yeah, it's
I mean, I can show you one thing.
For sure.
So, okay. I'll load this one.
Right.
This is still an unreleased project which I'm about to show you.
Wow.
So,
It's gonna load.
yeah, it will take like one.
Let it be like that. So like एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के लिए फॉर एग्जांपल 3 minutes का अगर ये डब स्टेप है, how much time it takes, how it depends, how it goes, like ये वैसे ही है जैसे एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग होती है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली प्लानिंग तो एक चलती है. So how like तुम्हारा रिसेंट प्रोजेक्ट जो पहला था हाउस, उसमें कितना टाइम लगा था और अब कितना तुमने लास्ट वाले को लगाया?
In that, I always remember that time. It was like 18 hours and 37 minutes.
18 hours?
Yeah.
Okay.
18 hours of messing with this software. 18 hours. And now it took me from like composition to arrangement to mixing to sound designing to mastering. It will take from like average of 80 hours to 120 hours.
We exactly what I thought. मुझे बहुत सिंपल से ही लगा था, मैं कहा 18 आवर्स तो बहुत ही
Exactly.
कम है, और जब तुमने 80 आवर्स बोला तो यस इट टेक्स, बिकॉज इतना टाइम तो लेता है,
Exactly.
2-3 दिन
Exactly.
तो आई गेस लग ही जाएंगे.
And like I love watching anime a lot.
Yes, yes, we can see that. We can see everywhere.
You will see Dragon Ball, Bleach.
And in your music, like templates,
Yeah.
We can see that.
They all are influenced with animes. So like I
They
have
inspire
one
you?
mascot.
They inspire you?
Yes, they inspired me a lot. And
Like,
so this is my mascot.
yeah.
So the story is behind the skate. Like what's the story is? So this dragon is me,
Mm-hmm.
which is locked with several shields,
Things.
and
The shits.
yeah.
The world.
And this is that guy, this is that girl who is about to rescue me.
And that is?
That is, and for that she has to find the 6 keys.
Okay.
And there is a one track 6 keys which is already released. And she needs 6 keys to unlock my powers and to release this dragon, and then to save the earth from the apocalypse.
Wow.
So this is the theme.
So
in my
you have connected the story
yes.
in a live thing, right?
Yep.
And that is your life.
Yes.
And that is your music, actually.
Yes.
Wow, so inspiring. You know, it is something. It is something. So we are ready with it, right?
Yeah. So this is my one of the
Let's do it.
unreleased track. It
Mhm.
might release this month, last week, or next month. I don't
Wish
know.
you a best of luck, man.
Yeah. So I hope this will not lag. So I like, as I told you, I'm really inspired with anime. So I
Yeah.
only use anime vocals. I never use English vocals.
Okay.
So I used to take the extract it from animes, or I either used to record it
Yes,
in
yes,
my mind.
I saw it. Like,
So
यहीं से हो रहा है ये सब.
yes,
And everything is original.
yep, nothing is copied from anywhere. And so like for the idea, what I have for this track, let me show you my idea. So the theme is she is in some warehouse, and yeah, like you will listen some vocals, you will get to understand what's the story.
This is yours.
Yes.
Oh my god.
This probably the way that benefits us both. So this is like the theme.
Wow. Okay.
And now you can listen to it. So like it's like a chaotic thing. Like you are in a warehouse which is completely destroyed, and there is one AI which is talking to you.
Okay. Wow.
So I want to make it like a scary and horrific theme. So
Right.
what I did it, I made some pads with horror, and it sounds like this. And I made this arpeggiator. And so the most difficult part, which takes a lot of time for me in dubstep, is sound designing. So you have to make it
Yes, yes.
sound unique. You have to, because there are like, if I take 100-kilometer area now, not in here, but in like big cities,
Metro cities.
yeah, metro cities.
Right.
So in 100-kilometer area, there will be like 50 artists which are making dubstep.
Dubstep.
So you have to make it unique, right? You have
Right.
to stand out.
It should be catchy.
Yes, it should be catchy, it should be stand out, it should be unique. It should not be like someone is listening and is saying it sounds like Skrillex. He should say
Unique.
Yes.
Your ID.
yeah, ये स्केच का गाना है.
Oh.
गाना सुन के ऐसा लग गया. तो मुझे बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा टेक्स्ट करते हैं कि your signature sound is so dope, your build-ups are so cool, man.
So
Like,
good.
so like that inspires me. So I I record this vocal, so I used to manipulate with my vocal a lot, like sometimes taking like adjusting like poyothan, like
Oh,
so.
yeah.
So I used to do, and then post processing, because
We're gonna see the real thing
Yeah.
from you.
Originally it was like this,
Okay.
so it was like this, and then all the processing, and this is the drop. So for sound designing part, what I can show you, I can show you my signature growls, and it took me like 2 years to understand what kind of music I am, and how like मेरी signature sounds कैसे होने चाहिए.
Mm-hmm.
So these are my growls.
Okay.
So I can show you like how to make a growls right now in
Just one?
1 minute. Like there are like for this song I created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sounds.
Okay.
This was one. This is second. This is third. This is fourth. This is
Wow.
fifth. This is seventh. So without anything, it sounds like what the hell is this?
Right.
But if you
Add. Oh my god.
So that's
So
how
it's engineering.
yeah, it's
it's
definitely
something.
engineering, because
Right.
I can't just like pull up the like most of the people think EDM is easy to make. No, it's
No.
not. It's not about playing with volume like what like if I do and let's just say hey, this is the default sound. How am I supposed to do it by playing buttons and make it in something unique?
Right.
So what I can do is I can take something which is
So, like, you have learned this software, you know everything, like, till now you're learning it.
yes.
You don't call yourself perfect, but for me, na, as a layman, मेरा obviously थोड़ा सा दिमाग.
So like this is this sound, right?
Right.
What I can do is if I want to make it sound like a growl, so there are some things which I have to do to make it sound like a growl. So let me just give a quick review. This is actually heavy right now.
Right.
It's consuming 5 GB of my RAM.
No worries.
So it will take time.
You need a good like system for it, and you already had one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if I want to make it more like vowely sound, so we have this filter. I use it in almost in my every sound. So do this, taking something. If I want to make it more vowely, then you can take the drive, and then I have to make a shape for it, like how it should sound.
Like, okay.
So that's how it goes. Like this is just the beginning of it,
Right.
and yeah.
Many things. Wow. Like literally in just like some minutes now.
Like we have done this. If I remove that drop section,
Right.
there was without growls, then it sounds like this.
Okay. Yeah. Obviously एक feel आ रही है, it's gonna rock.
Yeah.
It's gonna rock. Like obviously, Surinder, अब चलते हैं आगे थोड़ा सा.
Yeah.
Like ये field और obviously अगर मुझे गज़ल अच्छी लगती तो obviously मैं गज़ल सुनता.
Yeah.
ये ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड एक काफ़ी माना हुआ म्यूजिक है. इट्स लाइक many people love it.
Exactly.
Many people.
Yeah.
How you like rank India audience, and what is your thinking beside take yourself, जब तुमने शुरू किया था और अभी तक का जो टाइम है all over market में, how dubstep का scope क्या है? Like this electro music. बॉलीवुड में थोड़ा सुनना में भी आता है, बट वो थोड़ा अलग है कि
क्योंकि वो कमर्शियली साउंड, वो दैट्स कमर्शियल म्यूजिक. लाइक देयर इज टू थिंग्स.
what is your feel?
I feel like there is one guy who जो बूस्ट कर सकता था इस जॉनर को बहुत ज़्यादा. That one is Nuclear.
Yes.
He used to make dubstep. He was performing in Las Vegas in Electronic Daisy Carnival Festival. He used to play in big festivals. He used to play in Sunburn in the live stage, big stage.
Right.
But I think he collapsed it because
Bollywood?
I don't know Bollywood or what.
Many things happened, I guess.
Like in last 10 years, I'm listening to Nuclear from like 7 years. But if I see his discography, so in last 10-11 years, he only make one sound and he's using that same one sound for every song.
मतलब बिक रहा होगा तो?
Exactly, that's the point. That's what I'm wanting. लोग जो जो दिक्कत ही हो गई अब. In fact, in Bollywood, I used to listen Tollywood music a lot because they have diversity in their music. They have a lot of diversity. In Bollywood music, I can't say there is any diversity. They're making same thing, same again and again. There is nothing new, nothing special. So, in dubstep in India, see, honestly, if I see my global chart from India, if I take the top 30 countries, India will be in the 29th country where people are listening my music.
So till now, the thing is like people are not encouraging
people
this.
People are not encouraging this music.
But what about youth? Like that is something.
क्योंकि
1-2%, 10%, no, 2%.
Like 2%. Because artists like Nuclear, Surreal, and we have that Oxygen. These are the artists which are known for dubstep music.
Right.
But they are not contributing anything for this particular genre or for this industry. Nothing at all. There was one guy, Honey Singh, right? He made it that transmute
We'll cut this. Nothing to worry. Manali Trance.
Yeah.
Right.
So that's the genre which we call as dubstep trance.
Okay.
That's one of the genre.
Exactly. तुमने वो मेरा सवाल तुमने अपने आप ही start कर दिया. You answered it very well. Like I really want to ask you this later, but अभी आ गई अगर ये बात तो that is like what is the scope, like what we can do initially, and if you are talking about that Malana, that song, that was really wow. Yeah. And that is this
that was
dubstep.
Back in 2015.
Yes,
exactly.
That was a dubstep.
That was a dubstep.
That was slow and something.
Like that's the subgenre of dubstep which we call as a dubstep trance, and in that lyrics also they have written is like dubstep trance.
Right.
Wow. So that's a dubstep actually.
But after that like ये continue नहीं हुई ऐसे और गाने नहीं आए.
That's the reason, because क्योंकि इंडिया में क्या होता है, इंडिया में समझ आ जाता है लोगों को कि अगर यही बिकना है तो यही बिकेगा, नई डाइवर्सिटी लाएंगे तो वो नहीं बिकेगा. And you can see that, right? Why Indian musicians are copying the music notes and everything. Because
we'll not go to the copy thing and honey, exactly. But it happened. Literally वो था. चलो वो सबको पता है, अब हम सब होशियार हैं.
बादशाह. If you listen to Badshah underground raps, they are mind blowing. तुम कह नहीं सकते कि ये बादशाह ने लिखा है. और अभी बादशाह क्या लिखता है?
जो दिखता है वो बिकता करना पड़ता है.
Exactly. तो इंडिया में इसी चीज की वजह से बहुत सारे ऐसे म्यूजिकल आर्टिस्ट हैं, बहुत सारे ऐसे जॉनर्स हैं जो कि नहीं निकल पा रहे.
But in future scope slow and लिटरली बढ़ रहा है.
हाँ. If you go to metro cities like Bangalore, there is a huge scope, man. In Delhi, in Hyderabad, in Pune, in Mumbai, these 5 cities, they are upbringing and uplifting this. There are many.
It's becoming a culture.
It's becoming culture. Dubstep is becoming a culture, which is a good thing.
Good thing.
And I think if there are many event organizers.
Yes.
And which are making it happening out actually. So there's a like इतना सा स्कोप है इंडिया में. इट्स नॉट डाउट. ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं कि जीरो है ये है. देयर आर वेरी वेल म्यूजिशियंस जो कि मुझसे भी बहुत अच्छे हैं एंड दे आर साइन टू बिग लेबल्स एंड दे आर मेकिंग दैट एफर्ट कि हाँ इंडिया में डबस्टेप कल्चर आएगा.
बट तुम भी उस ट्रैक पे चले हो एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट आई थिंक डेस्टिनी से ज़्यादा इट्स अबाउट लाइक योर स्ट्रगल.
यस.
बिकॉज समहाउ एक बार 2 बार 10 बार 100 बार 1000 बार उसमें से एक क्लिक ये सब डेस्टिनी आ ही जाती है खुद बखुद. मेहनत पहले राइट. सो वी गो टू द लाइक द मेन क्वेश्चन एंड दैट इज लाइक व्हाट इज. मेरा भी फ़ोन आ गया.